China oba ekiwano kale bayi naye oyo oli waawa.
English?
English?
Yes.
English small.
Okay. Where you from?
Yeah?
Where you from?
Okay, let me first add in.
The body started to ease up. I didn't skin and tears.
We don't let you make it.
Ah,
We, man.
yeah. Man thing. The God man thing. Mama can get it. The Sunday neighbor.
My name is Kamagwanda Masamba. Thank you so much for
Problem,
this channel. If you haven't subscribed yet,
Where you from?
I'm from Iraq.
So that enkera when I take your video.
Where from?
Yes.
Say again, where you from?
I'm from Iraq. Iraq. Yeah.
Serious?
I'm a Taraban. I wish I had. Okay, where are you from?
Philippines.
You're from Philippines. How are you? I like Philippines. I used to see your comedy abroad from Philippines.
You call me lady boy now?
Okay. Yes.
Huh? Did you call me lady?
Sorry?
Did you call me lady boy?
You get this ticket. I take it now.
Which one like?
That one. We need the money. I gotta say.
Did you call me a lady boy?
You get this ticket.
I don't dare.
Koi.
You're tired.
You give me that. Let that was it. I have his gift. Is she man?
Oh, you're from Uganda.
Your papa?
Uganda, na?
Are you single?
No.
Beautiful like that?
My dad.
Without someone connecting. You can't accept that. Oh, you know nyashi. Yeah.
What about me?
Even you have a big nyashi. Yeah.
Who's saying I have a big neck? Who's saying that?
Who's saying? I'm seeing you. You know, I'm